Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, water jets, lasers, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to go over one of our favorite brands. Is a Wysong Shear. It's a 10 gauge mild steel over 6 foot. Very nice, simple machine. It's got a foot pedal right here. You got a forward reverse button. This is going to go ahead and adjust the back gauge. You can see you have an indicator right here. This is going to be your fine adjustment in your brake. Goes back to 24 inches. Once you get it right to where you want to go, let's say we want to get it on this 2-inch mark. Roll it right there. Hey, that one's perfect. If it doesn't hit right on the spot, you can adjust it right here. You just kind of jiggle right to where you got to get right on the fine line, lock it down, and you'll have your 2 inches. Now, if you don't know what the back gauge is, what that's doing is it's bringing this back flat plate in the back in and out, and that's allowing you to go ahead and push from the front. You'll hear when I push in. You can hear I hit that back gauge. Now when I hit that back gauge, I know that every cut's going to be 2 inches, real easy to get through. We're going to go ahead and start this machine, let you hear it cycle a few times. You can see that back gauge right there. We'll move that in and out. Now you can see the back gauge coming out. We're at about 6 inches, 7. There's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and so on. All the way back, right there is at 24 inches. Okay, so I'll go ahead and cycle the machine. Put the material in. Don't have much material here to test. It's a nice clean cut. We were cutting some stainless with this earlier, making sure everything works, and it was. I'm going to go ahead and take this long piece. I'm going to feed it in the long way. We're going to hit that 3-inch mark every time, and then you'll see how that back gauge is going to work. So you'll hear it. That's the 3 inches. There you go. Nice and clean, easy cuts, 10 gauge, mild steel, over 6 foot, Wysong, American company. You can see the 2 front supports down there. Those will go out here, let you have your support so when you put your sheet into it. And also you'll see in the pictures, but there is a nice square arm. Square arm's gonna come all the way out here, allow you to put your material in, let you get your nice 90 against the arm and the back gauge, and you'll be ready to go. If you're interested in this machine or any other, you can see we have a lot of other shears here. Here's a hydraulic 1/4-inch shear. We have mechanical shears. If you want to buy, sell, or trade, if you have other equipment you'd like to trade in for a shear, we'd love to help. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.